My What Happens Wednesday, I'm going to cover what we did last Wednesday on the 8th of February. So we went over second order systems responses and how to use the general equation and Laplace transform to figure out the roots. We also went over different cases like case 1, which uses the quadratic formula whenever c squared is greater than 4km. Case 2, where c squared equals 4km. We're able to show the Laplace using that equation. Case 3 has the other equation, xt equals e to the rt, c1 sine your angle of t plus c2 cosine of the angle of 2 as well, which can also be seen used in our equation or other example here with our mass damper system with the spring. It helps us with figuring out our roots and our c's, which also helps with figuring out our damping ratio